page. Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Marvin, back with another video. And today, we are making my BRZ loud. We're making it loud. So as you saw, what I just put on the ground was Berk Catless front pipe. So we're gonna be installing that onto my BRZ today. And we're gonna make my shit loud, bruh. So I'm just gonna jack up the car real quick and get started. Alright, so I just got the car jacked up. I'm gonna start with these hard bolts. So, let's see how it goes. Alright guys, it took me like 20 minutes to loosen these bolts, but the ones that's connected to the overpipe and the cat right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? Wait, where is it?
Right there. These ones right here. Full focus. Those ones took forever to take off, so I'm just now taking them off. I don't know if you guys can see that. Because this was our mistake last time. We used a socket wrench and we cannot get it off. And we stripped Nero's bolts last time. That's what was the problem last time. And that's why we gave up. But I am now about to take these off, finally. Got one off. Fucking go, guys. That took forever. Alright, on to the next ones. Alright, I just got these loosened. God, it's dark down here. Hold up. I just got the spring bolts loosened that connect the cat back to the front pipe. So now I'm just taking them off all the way. Yo, WD-40 and penis blast, PB blast, lifesaver, bro. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, if you're using this video as like a tutorial on how to do it, don't. Because I don't really know what I'm doing. But if you guys watched the last video, you saw that I got my, see my bunny fingers, custom exhaust. But it was basically just a straight pipe. Well, not straight pipe, but a muffler delete. But see, this is where the BRZ Type S or BRZ S Type muffler was. It was really big, as you can see. Filled up this whole spot. And then the custom tips are all the way down there. But for some reason, I didn't have a hanger for the cat right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here, where the light is. They made me a custom hanger. So if you guys are doing this yourself, I don't know what size bolt it is, but I believe the one they gave me was a 15. Never mind, I think it's a 16. Let me go grab a 16. I'm scared that this is gonna fall on my head. The cat's coming out. Our front pipe. Both cat and resonator. Oh, I gotta pull it. I need my flashlight. Yeehaw. Wait. I'm gonna hit my head. Oh my god. Ah, yes! Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. You don't know how. Ah, there's rust in my eye. Ah, I got out. Oh my god. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Okay. Shit.
Alright guys, just got the stock cut out. Oh wait, you're gonna need to save this, guys. This is important. Donut gasket, you're gonna need that. I'm gonna put it with all my nuts. As you see, I got it out. Now we're gonna unbox the Berk boy. Also in the box, they give you gaskets and new hardware. I don't know which these are for. I think these replace the spring bolts. And they give you a Berk sticker. I might actually put this on my car because I like stickers. Here's the front pipe. As you see, there's no cats or resonators on it. So I'm hoping that my car is loud. I'll do a side-by-side comparison of the two. As you see, there's no, I think that's a resonator, or I don't know if these are both cats, but there's none right there and there, and a big one right there. So it's just a full catless front pipe. Hopefully, dude, my hair, oh my god. Hopefully it makes this thing loud. I'm hoping, bro, like, cause the muffler really already made my car loud, and I like it a lot. But I bought it in on Black Friday, so I got a good deal on it. So I was like, why not? A link to the same front pipe I bought. Sorry if the wind's bad. Link in the description of where I got it. I got it from Vivid Racing. I've heard some bad things about them, but this came in like 5 days. So my boyfriend's here.
What's good, YouTube?
Hey, tell them about the last time we tried installing this.
Last time we tried putting my front pipe on, we kind of fucked up and stripped a bolt and spun one of the nuts the wrong way.
You were so stupid, bro.
So we're gonna try another time for you, YouTube.
But for right now, we're gonna put mine on, so we'll come back when it's on.
Alright guys, we just got it on. Show you guys. You got that beauty on you, feel me? Basically straight pipe now. Alright, now it's time to check for any leaks and hear this shit, so let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna rev it real quick. That's just loud, dude. I can't wait to drive that shit. Second gear pool.
Oh my god.
Alright, what's good, bro?
Is it recording?
Yeah, I think so.
Is there a red button? Or like a red dot? Okay.
Yeah. We're about to go drive this shit right now. First impression.
It's already loud as fuck. Alright guys, I think it's a little too loud. But y'all will hear it. Dude, it's loud.
Hey man, that's alright, man.
You'll be in it too, bro.
Oh shit.
the pops are loud. Dude, that's a little too loud for your boy, dude. I'm pulling up to school.
Oh yeah. You gonna make all these men wet.
So loud, bro. Damn. Okay, I think it's just bad, like lower gears. Like when it's normal, I think it's good. But there's cars in the front that I can't drive. Dude, it's too loud.
Later.
Alright guys, it is the next morning. I'm about to go to my car and start it. First time being Catless, but I'm kind of nervous. Cause like, I'm like shy, or like, I don't know how to explain it, but like, I just don't want to, kinda, cause it's kind of embarrassing, and my neighbors aren't the nicest. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna head over to my car now and start it. It's about to be so loud. All right, guys, I'm gonna go start it. Sorry in advance to my neighbors. Smells Catless. You know, after it starts cooling down, or warming up, I mean, it doesn't sound too bad. But that initial startup, bro, oh